In this following video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can set up automatic investments on Fidelity investment account. So in order to do this procedure, first of all, check your internet connection and then log in into your Fidelity investment account. So once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. Now right on this page, you'll need to click on the accounts and trade button at the top of the page. After that, you need to select transfer money and share from the drop down menu, accounts and tab. Now on the left under the into column, select the setup automatic investment button located right at the bottom. On the automatic investment page, find the main account by looking for the account number and corresponding account type. All you need to do is just click setup automatic investment. So after that, you'll be able to see an option as to set up automatic investment. Now here's the form to set up automatic investment from your linked bank account to the selected investment account. If your bank isn't shown, click the setup electronic funds transfer or EFT linking to connect a bank account. So in this way, you can set up automatic investment on Fidelity. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.